Hey guys, today I'm going to show you an EQ that I've been using on my master bus lately. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. We're using Lindell Audio TE-100. It's a very nice EQ, it sounds great, it's tube EQ. So I'm going to show you a quick demo of how to use this. I would like to boost at 170. This is your low end, this is your lower and upper mids, and this is your high end. I'm going to start by boosting 170. I will also like to push a little bit around 2.5K. Make this between 0 and +3. Same at 2.5K. We'll take down couple of dBs as a shelf under 60 Hertz, as a shelf at 60 Hertz and below. On the lower mids, we'll take down 300, and on the higher mids, we'll take 3.2K, and we're ready to listen to it. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.